So standard 12 after a long gap, welcome back. There had been some work for me, personal work. So I had taken a gap for the videos since 25th of this month till date. So now we are going further with the derivatives. We have completed exercise 1.2 in the video number 19. Now we are going for the logarithmic function. Short examples, page number 30, logarithmic functions. How to differentiate this? Logarithmic means take the log. So this is a complicated function. If I want to differentiate this as it is, here it is u into v and then here it is u upon v. This multiplication upon division. So this becomes very tedious. So it is better to take the log on both the sides. Therefore, log of y is equal to log of x square plus 3 raised to 2 into cube root of x square plus 5 raised to 2 upon under root of 2x square plus 1 its cube. So you know that log of a into b upon c is equal to log a into means plus log b and this upon means minus log c. That we know. Upon means minus and into means plus. So this is upon, this will become minus. These two are into, this is a into b, this is upon c. Therefore, log of y is equal to log of x square plus 3 bracket square. This is into means plus. Log of, this is cube root means x square plus 5 its square and raised to 1 upon 3. Cube root means raised to 1 upon 3. Upon means minus. This is 3 upon 2. So log of 2x square plus 1 raised to 3 and this is root. Root means raised to half. That is equal to. Another formula, log of a raised to m is equal to m log a. Here I have to write taking log on both the sides. I have some space problem on the board, so I am not writing. Here you write taking log to the base e on both the sides. Therefore, now this I will simplify. This is 2 log of x square plus 3 plus log of x square plus 5 index raised to, index means multiplication of the indices that we have seen in the standard 6, a raised to m raised to n is nothing but log of a raised to mn. Means this is 2 into 1 upon 3. So that is 2 upon 3 minus log of 2x plus 1, 2x square plus 1, it is 2x square plus 1 raised to 3 raised to half means 3 into 1 upon 2, that will be 3 upon 2. Now once again I have the chance to simplify this, that is equal to 2 log of x square plus 3 my plus this I will take here 2 upon 3 log of x square plus 5 minus this will come here 3 upon 2 log of 2x plus 1, 2x square plus 1. So now it has become simple. This is log of y. Now differentiating with respect to x, we have derivative of log is 1 upon, what is that 1 upon? 1 upon y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. is equal to, this 2 is a constant, 2 into d by dx of log of x square plus 3 plus 2 upon 3 into d by dx of log of x square plus 5 minus 3 upon 2 into d by dx of log of 2x square plus 1. So this I have just written that I am going to take the derivative on both the sides. I am rubbing this part now. Remaining part I will do here and will go on rubbing this. Therefore, I am interested in dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to this y upon, it will become into here, and I will take the derivative of this. 2 into derivative of log is 1 upon. So 1 upon x square plus 3. But it is not x. So take once again the derivative of and multiply by the derivative of x square plus 3. This part is more. Plus this 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into, this is log. So it will become 1 upon x square plus 5 into d by dx of, once again the derivative of this, x square plus 5 minus, this is 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2x square plus 1 into d by dx of 2x square plus 1. That is equal to, what is meant by y? Y means this. So I will write that x square plus 3 raised to 2 into cube root of x square plus 5 bracket square upon under root 2x square plus 1 raised to 3 into, now this I am going to solve. This y value is this, 2 into, this is x square plus 3 here, and this is into 2x plus 0. Here I will write 2x plus 0 so that you will understand it better. The derivative of this, derivative of constant is 0, x square is 2x plus, this is 2 upon 3 into this, along with this x square plus 5 into, the derivative of this will be 2x plus 0. Now this minus 3 upon 2 with this 2x square plus 1 and into, the derivative of this will be 2x into 2 will be 4x plus 0. So that is equal to, this as it is, you will write here into the bracket, this 2x into 2 will be 4x upon x square plus 3 plus, this will be once again 4x upon 3 into bracket x square plus 5 minus, this 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2 2 the, 2x into 3, that will be 6x upon 2x square plus 1. This will be the answer. If somebody wants to take common from this, you can take common, but no matter whether you take common or not. So hope that you have understood this sum. Take a screenshot. I am going ahead for the next sum. Now the second example. y is equal to e raised to x square into log of x raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2 into cos cube of x. So as usual we will take the log on both the sides, taking log to the base e on both the sides. Therefore log of y equal to log of e raised to x square into log of x raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2 into cos cube of x, the whole log. Now this is into, these two are upon, so these two will go in minus and these two will go in plus. Therefore log of y equal to log of e raised to x square plus log of x raised to x by 2. These two plus. Now these two will be, here they will be plus and outside they will be minus. So that means individual will be minus log of 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2, and this will be also minus log of cos x, its cube. This way I have written. So that is equal to, now I will simplify. This is the power that I will bring here, x square into log of e plus this will be x by 2 into log of x. No need to put the bracket. Minus this will be 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square, and minus this will be 3 log of cos x. This is log y. Now here this is log of e means 1. So that also I will write. Therefore log of y is equal to x square into 1. Or I will not write, give the reason ahead. X square into 1 plus x by 2 into log of x minus 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square and minus 3 into log of cos x. Here write log e equal to 1. Therefore, now I can take the derivative. 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus, here this is u into v. I have to apply the rule for that. U into v rule. U into v, d by dx of u into v is equal to, use the Barber rule, the Hajam rule. Who has come first? U has come first. So he will sit on the chair. He will be behind. So v into d by dx of u. U is taken on the chair. Plus, now u will be coming down and the turn for v, d by dx of v. This way, directly I will apply the rule, or first of all I will write and then I will use the rule. D by dx of x by 2 into log of x. So out of that, this x by 2, this 2 is constant. So take it out. So this will become 1 upon 2 into d by dx of x log x. See this. This is x upon 2. Upon 2 is a constant. Take it out. Take the derivative of x log x. Minus. This also 3 upon 2 you will take out, and d by dx of log of 1 plus x square minus 3 into d by dx of log of cos x. This way I have written. Now the final step I will write here. Next step, dy by dx is equal to y into derivative of x square is 2x plus this is 1 upon 2 as this is log of x. As u into v rule I will go. So this is u. Take this as a constant. So log of x into d by dx of x plus x as it is now d by dx of log x. Here this part is over. Minus 3 upon 2 into derivative of this log. It is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the derivative of this into d by dx of 1 plus x square. This is called as the chain rule. Minus 3. Now the derivative of log is 1 upon. So what is that 1 upon? 1 upon cos x into d by dx of cos x. So this u into v rule I am rubbing out. So that is therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is y? This y I will put that e raised to x square into log of x raised to x by 2 upon 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2 into cos cube of x. This is our y. And now this part 2x plus 1 upon 2 into this much part I am now doing. This is log of x, this log x into the derivative of x is 1 plus this x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. This part is over minus. This bracket is closed now. Minus. This is 3 upon 2 x. For this I am taking now. 3 upon 2. This I will write together. 3 upon 2 into this is 1 plus x square. Together I am taking into the derivative of this is 0 plus 2x minus 3 upon cos x into derivative of cos is minus sin x. This way this is what? Therefore dy by dx is equal to this part as it is into 2x plus this upon 2 is for this also. So log x upon 2 plus this is x cancel. This is 1. So 1 upon 2. So this much part I have open minus. This 2x and this 2 will get cancelled. So it will remain 3x upon 1 plus x square minus. This minus and this minus will become plus. Sin upon cos is tan. So 3 tan x. And this is your final answer. So take a screenshot if you need. The video may become lengthy. I can't give you much of the time. So I am rubbing this. Now the third one. X plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 3 raised to 5 by 2 into 3x plus 4 raised to 2 by 3 for x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0 means x is not negative, means this value is not coming negative. If this value comes negative, then log is not possible. That's why they have stated. Nothing to worry for that. So this is first step, y equal to. Next step is taking log on both the sides. Therefore, log of y is equal to, now I will take it directly here, 3 by 2 into log of x plus 1 plus this 5 upon 2 I will take here, 5 upon 2 into log of 2x plus 3 plus this is 2 upon 3 log of 3x plus 4. Therefore, now take the derivative. dy by dx of this will be 1 upon y dy by dx. Derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. That is equal to 3 upon 2 into derivative of this will be 1 upon x plus 1. Now I have to take the derivative of this x plus 1 and that derivative will be coming 1 plus 0 means 1. So why to take the derivative? Not taken. Plus 5 upon 2 into the derivative of this will be 1 upon 2x plus 3. Now here the derivative is other than 1. Therefore into d by dx of 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 3 into derivative of this will be 1 upon 3x plus 4. Oh, I have done a mistake. I have not taken the log. I have to state it. Log of differentiating. Okay. Differentiating, here you will write differentiating WRT x. Okay. In the earlier sum also I have not written it. You understand that I have written. So you go on, make a practice. Now this is 1 upon into d by dx of 3x plus 4. Therefore, now dy by dx, in that I am interested, dy by dx is equal to this y will go here and this will be 3 upon 2 into bracket x plus 1 plus 5 upon 2 into 2x plus 3 and into the derivative of this will be 2 into 1 plus 0, that way it will come, plus 2 upon 3 into bracket 3x plus 4 and the derivative of this will be 3 into 1 plus 0. That is equal to, what is mean by y? Y is x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 3 raised to 5 by 2 into 3x plus 4 raised to 2 by 3. And for this now, if I can cancel something, I will cancel, otherwise let it be. So 3 upon, this will remain as it is. 3 upon 2 into bracket x plus 1. Here these 2 will get cancelled. So plus 5 upon 2x plus 3. Here also these 3 will get cancelled. Plus 2 upon 3x plus 4. And this is your final answer. Take a screenshot. So hope that you are understanding this. Now the fourth one, this is the last in this video, fourth one. Y is equal to x raised to a plus x raised to x plus a raised to x. There is one another also in this. This sum and this one another sum. Y is equal to sine inverse of x raised to sine x plus cos x raised to cos inverse x. This is for your homework. This is also very important sum. How to do this? If I take log on both the sides, log of y is equal to log of x raised to a plus x raised to x plus a raised to x. And after that, the next step, if you write it, log of x raised to a plus log of x raised to x plus log of a raised to x. This is totally wrong. This is not possible at all. If you take the first step, the examiner will see and straightway will give you the 0 mark, because from this you have to write this step and this is not at all possible. This is wrong totally. Because if it is into, then it will become plus. If here it is x raised to a into x raised to x into a raised to x, then you can take the log and the next step will be this. If it is into here and here. But if it is plus or minus, then you never take the log of individual. So how to solve this? Take the individual derivative. Let y is equal to u plus v plus w. These are the three functions where u is equal to x raised to a, v is equal to x raised to x, and w is equal to a raised to x, and u, v, w are the functions of x. U, v, w are the functions of x. If you write, then also will do, and if you don't write, then also it is understandable. Okay. And dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. This is your number 1. Now, what is that now? U is equal to x raised to a. Therefore, du by dx is equal to, this is like x raised to n. What is x raised to n? X raised to n is nothing but variable raised to constant. The derivative of this will be n into x raised to n minus 1. Instead of n, it is x raised to a. So it will be a into x raised to a minus 1. That's all. So here this will be a into x raised to a minus 1. Okay. This is over. This is your 2. Now take v. V is equal to x raised to x. This is variable raised to variable. So I will take the, where we take the log for a very complicated function. This is number 1. And variable raised to variable, then you have to take the log only. For this, x raised to x means variable raised to variable log. There is no other excuse. Okay. So log of v is equal to x into log of x. See this, I have taken the log, this is the power, brought it here. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, you have to write it here, taking the log to the base e on both the sides. This is the what you have to write. Taking log, I will write here. I have the space, that's why I am writing taking log to the base e on both sides. Both sides means both the sides. Now differentiating 1 upon v, and derivative of v is the dv by dx is equal to, this is u into v, this is u, log x I will keep as it is, and dx, d by dx of x plus x I will keep as it is, and d by dx of log x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to, this is dv by dx is equal to log x. This v I will take here, v into log x into 1 plus x into derivative of this log x is 1 upon x. Therefore, dv by dx is equal to v. What is v? X raised to x, x raised to x into. This is the example for your practice. Take it as a homework. Into bracket log x. This x will get cancelled and plus 1. This is your number 3. Now the last part. W is equal to a raised to x. Therefore, there is no need to take the log on both the sides. Why not? Because variable raised to constant. We have the formula. Constant raised to variable, for that also d by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. For that also we have the formula. So why you are taking the log? Therefore, dw by dx is equal to a raised to x into log of a, and this is number 4. Now collect them all together. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, what is the value of du by dx? A into x raised to a minus 1. dv by dx, what is the value of this? X raised to x into log x plus 1 plus dw by dx is what? A raised to x into log of a. From where you have taken this? From 1, 2, 3 and 4. From this you have understood this. Hope that you have understood this sum. This is a very important sum. On this base, there is one another sum. What I have given this that way. The fifth one, y is equal to sin x raised to tan x minus x raised to log x. Here also I have to assume that y is equal to, let y is equal to u minus v